you kind of talk about what is a tabletop and why is it valuable, and how do we leverage them to help build out a robust incident response plan for our customers today?
Yeah, I mean, there's so many types of tabletop exercises as well, right? There's those that focus on incident response, those that focus on business continuity or disaster recovery. So maybe something that's not cyber related, but still impacts, right, the digital aspect of your organization. If a tornado hits your building and you don't have the servers you need, things along those lines. And then even just inside of each of those two different types of tabletops, there are technical and executive, and you try and focus on where you want to uncover gaps in that. And right, most organizations in regulated industries like financial services, healthcare, things like services like or industries like that, sorry, are required to do at least a tabletop annually. It doesn't have to be hosted by a third party, but what you want is something that is comprehensive enough to build a lessons learned document from, right? If you ace your tabletop exercise and something's gone wrong, right? You shouldn't be coming out of your tabletop exercise saying, "Oh, we're perfect."